Did you know that a clean home can evoke powerful emotions for potential buyers? When stepping into a space that sparkles, buyers feel more at ease, allowing them to envision their lives unfolding within those walls. Imagine a crisp, clean environment welcoming them with open arms. That's where TidyTex home cleaning comes in. As a retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming homes into inviting sanctuaries that accelerate sales. Our reliable and professional team understands the urgency in the real estate game, offering swift turnarounds and meticulous cleaning tailored for open houses and buyer visits. Realtors, need a quick tip? To enhance your listings at no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before showings. Bright spaces exude warmth and highlight a home's best features. When buyers feel the emotional pull of a clean home, they're more likely to make an offer. TidyTex is here to help make those transformations happen seamlessly. Check the video description for more details and contact us today. We're ready to help your listings shine.